China, and today I'm going to make some grilled cheese. And this is what you need. You need American cheese, some sliced bread, and warm temperature. But before, I'm gonna wear my apron. Do you like my apron? Y'all look pretty. Okay, you need this pan. It has to be flat in this. You can buy from Walmart. Yes.
And it'll be easier to cook with the bread. And there's two ways to make it. You can put the butter on the pan. Well, it will not cover that much. But if you put the butter on the bread, it'll be easier and it'll be good to eat with to start. Okay, let's get started. So you want to get two of these, two slices of bread. So you want to have one like that. You want to put one right here. So you want to slice one, okay? So you want to spread it around, okay? So you can cover it.
Make sure like this. You see this? Make sure it covers all of you. Make sure it covers the bread. And then when you're done, you want to flip it over like this. You want to grab another slice of it right here. And then you want to do it again. You want to do it again. Okay. When the bread is like this, make sure it has to be covered it has to be covered. So now you want to put your bread on the pan. You want to grab a American cheese. You want to open it. Like that. You want to put it right here. And also, I don't like the only one cheese, like two cheese. This is one more of it. Okay, now you wanna okay, if you're too slow to cook, make sure you're fast because that will burn. Okay, now you want to squeeze it like this.
Okay, now you want to check the bottom to see if it's brown. If it is, you put it like that. And then,
Oops, I burned too much. I'm too slow. I made a mistake. You see, it's only my first try to make an grilled cheese, but always learn from your mistakes. If you made a mistake one time, you do it again for one time and you get it correct. At school, if you get the wrong answer, you fix it. You get help. There you go. You get help. And like that one, I made a mistake, but I learned about my mistake to do it really fast. Good cheese. Well, you gotta be more slightly weak to do it because the bread is not hard. So you gotta do it for again.
Is this your first time?
Yes.
Okay. So you said you want to be fast?
Yeah.
Can you speed it up so your bread won't burn again?
Wait for the other side to get to like this kind of color. And then cheese are melting, so. Okay.
You see how I put the butter and spread it around? This is how you make it. And this is really perfect. And this is how you make it. And this is how you make grilled cheese sandwich. And then I have to do this one too.
So I put butter around this so I can be more faster. And that one's not too long. But I have to be fast this time. I just ran out of butter, so this will be enough for my recipe. I want to wait for that to get this one.
This is my last one, guys. This my cooking is about to end. Cooking is not easy for people that are cooking, but I had to learn it from my mom. Okay, this is how I make grilled cheese. Grilled cheese. You can do it in both different ways of too. You can have it in a full sandwich or cut in triangles. And I'm going to eat it with my family.
This is how you call grilled cheese sandwich. But in triangles. It's good.
I only know how to make little kids snacks, but I don't know how to make old people's. You can watch on my mom's videos. She makes a lot.
Me too.
Okay. My mom likes Asian food and spicy food. That's hers, but mine's just American food and Asian. And I'm gonna say my mom's YouTube channel. She has over 3,000 subscribers. And her name is Theara Spicy Kitchen. I'm gonna end it here. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the subscribe button and like the video and press the notification bell so I can do another video.
This tastes good.